Nominated for Trending Safety Gadget, Autopoint Performance is helping to set a new standard in how we think about speed and safety on Singapore's roads. Leading their charge towards safer roads is their role as an authorized workshop for speed limiter installation, a key initiative supporting national efforts to reduce speeding, especially among commercial and heavy vehicles. Let's take a closer look at why this matters. Operating a lorry or heavy vehicle comes with high responsibility, longer braking distances, greater load, and limited room for error. Speeding only increases the risks. Autopoint's professionally installed, regulation-compliant speed limiters offer a simple but powerful safeguard, and the benefits go far beyond crash prevention. By maintaining consistent, moderate speeds, these vehicles also consume less fuel, improving cost efficiency. They also experience less wear and tear on tires and braking systems, reducing maintenance and downtime. More importantly, many of these lorries aren't just carrying cargo, they're ferrying workers. Human lives are at stake with every journey. Slower speeds mean safer arrivals for everyone on board. The effect isn't just mechanical, it's behavioral. Drivers build consistent habits, carrying speed awareness from trucks into vans, and even into personal vehicles. This shift in mindset creates safer roads, vehicle by vehicle. As more companies choose Autopoint for compliant installations and trusted service, it's clear this is more than just a device. It's a long-term investment in safety, responsibility, and lives. Autopoint Performance and their life-saving speed limiter solution in the trending safety gadget category, because every step towards safer driving deserves to be recognized.